Within projects, we're also going to create several thought types. And the very first thought type is projects 2022. I create a new set of projects for every year. This is a thought type. And again, I'm happy with the yellow color for projects. The next is people. Our work involves other people. And you'll notice as I create all of these, I convert them immediately to type. And again, you'll see why as we start doing our work. But let's get the brain set up for our work. So I happen to use gray for people. And then there's events. The color coding that you're seeing is just my personal preference. It's up to you to pick your own. But I do highly recommend that you use color coding. It'll make your life so much easier when you're trying to get a quick handle on all the different elements of your life and work. Color coding and alphabetizing your thought types make a real difference. Then you have your outputs. This is basically what your project produces for the rest of the world. And again, for outputs, I happen to prefer this blue color. And then before something becomes an output, it is a draft. And a draft is for me, is this kind of washed out yellow color. So it's work in progress. You have your reference material. So this is where you put all the material that you might need to have access to as you're working on this project. And my color coding choice for reference material, again, is kind of this. Let's go with this color here. It's different enough from outputs. And then, of course, the actual actions you have to take, which I call @SNA. SNA is a term borrowed from David Allen's Getting Things Done methodology. And it stands for Strategic Next Action. And you may have guessed the reason I put the @ symbol in front of it. There's my color for getting work done. The reason I put the @ symbol in front of it is whenever I go to a project, all the things I have to do within that project, all my activities show up at the top of the list on the left-hand side purely by virtue of the fact that I started the name of the thought type with the @ symbol. So there you have it. We now have our system in place. We are now ready to start doing our work and to start capturing our ideas within this mind map. Thank you.